this is Kitty from GSL Energy. Today we are in the Canton Fair. We are in house 40.3 and our booth number is 19-20. Today I'm going to share with you our R-series high voltage batteries. You can see here. These high voltage batteries can use in the commercial project. Our customer can use it in factories, villas, resorts, and many other scenarios. And we use the LiFePO4 batteries with safety, performance, and longer cycle life. Each battery cells we have 6,500 cycles, and we produce 10 years warranty for the whole battery. You can see that each module is 5 kWh and connected in series to reach the high voltage. The more batteries you connect in series, the more capacity you will get. And in each module, there is a fire extinguisher inside to ensure the environment is safe. Of course, our high voltage battery can compatible with the many famous brands of inverters in the world, like the IMBT Signal Cell, Goodwill GROUP, and many other brands. And if you want to know more information, our company is in Shenzhen and our factory is in Guizhou. We warmly welcome you to visit our factory, and that's all. See you next time.